Yum! Hello everyone, happy Mommy Monday to all the mommies out there. Welcome to my channel. I'm Christina Danielle, and in today's video, you guys, I'm showing you all how to make donuts. So of course, nobody can beat Krispy Kreme's donuts, but I have a great alternative that's also good and very easy that you can do for your family. It's super easy and it's yummy. So before I get into it, stop what you're doing, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and make sure you hit that bell so you're notified every time I upload. So I'm gonna go ahead and get on into the video. I hope you guys enjoy.
Okay everyone, these are the products that you're going to use to make your donuts. You're going to need Grand's biscuits, you're going to need some milk, vegetable oil, brown sugar, butter, and powdered sugar. And you're also going to need some type of top. I'm using like a soda top to put the holes in my donuts. So that's all you're going to need. Okay, so first things first, I'm melting my butter in the microwave. So as it's melting, I'm also making the icing. So how I'm going to make icing, I'm going to add a cup of milk and powdered sugar. And you want your consistency to be somewhat thick. I just kind of play it by eye. Okay, so now that that's done, I'm going to go ahead and get my biscuits out and put holes in the middle. And with the holes that you make, you can also do donut holes, and that's what I did. They were so good. So I'm just putting holes in my donuts. And now I'm going to take the donut holes and ball them into a little ball. And then I'm just going to go ahead and drop them into the grease. They do cook very quickly, so you just have to keep an eye on them. And then now I'm dropping my first set of donuts. So this is what they look like once they're done. And now what you're going to do, you're going to dip them in the butter, the melted butter that we did in the beginning, and you're going to put brown sugar on them. And we're going to do that for the first 3. And they are the best when they're hot. So they can go ahead and be served. Now you can use whatever type of biscuits that you want. I just wouldn't recommend flaky ones. So this is the last couple of donuts, and now I'm just sprinkling the icing that we made in the beginning on top of it. And that's it to making donuts at home. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Try it. Yum!